Hello and welcome to another video. Today we will be going through a review of Admiral Markets. By the end of it, you will know whether or not the broker is for you. We've included a few key highlights that you don't want to miss, so make sure you like and subscribe our video. Let's begin. This Admiral Markets review has been produced to give you only the best insights into the forex broker, how they service their clients, what they have to offer you and why you should choose them. Firstly, congratulations on doing your research and due diligence. Secondly, a little bit about us and why we are qualified to provide this review. Alfix Capital is recognized for being a source of groundbreaking, high-quality, factual content that doesn't leave any stone unturned. We have over 30,000 followers across social media and tens of thousands of traders have used our platform as a springboard to greater levels of trading success. The goal, like the rest of our content available, is to provide a transparent review of Admiral Markets forex broker and to help guide you on your journey to finally finding a forex broker you can not only trust but be happy with. At the end of the day, if you partner up with the wrong broker, you can end up losing more money to fees, slippages and errors than actually trading yourself. Choosing a broker to partner with is a big deal, so wouldn't you rather read an in-depth review of the features and what to expect? By the end of this Admiral Markets review, you will have learned the exact reasons why they are one of the most trusted, cheapest and pioneering brokers in the world. Shall we begin? Yes, our Admiral Markets review 2019. Formed in 2001, Admiral Markets is one of the largest forex brokers in the world and has an international presence worldwide. This makes the company widely available to most countries that allow forex trading. The great part about their worldwide presence is that they also have licenses from local regulators all over. You can see there is also a negative review on there too, but this is clearly someone paid to provide a negative review. How can we tell? Firstly, what the reviewer asked for is available on all platforms. The company mentioned has the exact same platforms, MetaTrader 4 and online access. Secondly, the reviewer mentioned another company. When going through reviews of brokers in general, you will see a lot of basic false accusations which have come from a misunderstanding or clients that do not understand certain aspects. We will cover some of these aspects in this review to not only help you understand how some processes work, but for you to avoid any bad experiences that may arise in the future. One of the most common negative experiences with forex brokers is withdrawing from them. This is a very simple, yet wildly reportable problem with many brokers and their feedback. This is a very simple answer. As per anti-money laundering laws, it is the forex broker and your obligation to provide your proof of ID and proof of address. Many brokers will block withdrawal requests until this has been verified. Sometimes, depending on how much you deposit, they will ask for a source of funds or source of wealth. This is to confirm where the money has come from. This could be savings, lottery win, employment, etc. Now, for Admiral Markets to be regulated by the FCA alone, they need to prove and show that they can treat their clients fairly as part of their responsibilities. If Admiral Markets did not make withdrawals transparent and easy process, they would lose their license. After going through several pages, it is good to know that reviewers did not moan about anything related to withdrawing from Admiral Markets, so you can rest assured that the process will be painless. Another negative experience is traders blaming the forex broker for their losses or to get stop hunted. This is just a wild accusation out of frustration, and many people do not take into account the fact they get the bid offer price on the chart. So when they try to verify on a third-party platform like TradingView, they feel unjust because they see the mid-price on these platforms. Now with Admiral Markets, they have a prime service that provides 0.1 pip spread on the EUR/USD and are extremely low for the others. This is the perfect service if you want to trade the markets. We'll go into more detail later on. Now let's get into the benefits and features for the Admiral Markets review. Key points to take from here. Established for over 18 years, worldwide presence, regulated by 4 different regulators, voted best forex platform. Admiral Markets review. Regulators. One of the key points we must get across in this Admiral Markets review is to highlight how the forex broker protects investors' interests and who they are regulated by to conduct financial services, and in which countries. Admiral Markets are regulated by 4 different entities thanks to their worldwide presence. These are UK Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, one of the world's most renowned and respected regulators that innovate and pioneer the best practices to safeguard retail traders. Getting regulated by the FCA is no easy feat. You must adhere to the strictest of regulations and reporting to ensure 100% compliance with them. By being licensed by the FCA, you can be assured that Admiral Markets meet the highest standards of financial services demanded by the FCA, whilst providing and respecting the best available protection to retail investors. Estonian Financial Supervision Authority, EFSA, the FCA equivalent based in Estonia, which allows financial services to be provided within the European Economic Area and European Union, governing all financial services whilst also protecting investors. Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commissioner, CSEC. Similar to the EFSA, CSEC is a very popular regulator across Europe, which most European-based forex brokers have a license with. Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, the Australian equivalent of the FCA, governing regulatory matters including managing and maintaining licensing for regulated forex brokers based in Australia. Without these regulatory licenses acquired by Admiral Markets, they would not be able to offer financial services to the public. Equally, the only way they can get the licenses Admiral Markets US clients. One thing we cannot miss out on in this Admiral Markets review is the fact that they do not accept US citizens due to not having registered and holding license. This is a shame because Admiral Markets offers a great, all-in-one solution for many traders. We hope to see this change in the near future. What makes Admiral Markets different? We wanted to ensure that we highlighted the key differences in this Admiral Markets review. Being in the business for 18 years, Admiral Markets has had plenty of time to develop and innovate to become a leader in the industry. They have developed tools and partnered with third-party providers to arm every live account holder with the best possible information, data and technical analysis around, to highlight the key assets available to trade. Next up in the Admiral Markets review is to identify what assets are available on the platform. The beauty of Admiral Markets forex broker is that they are a multi-asset broker, meaning they offer forex, stocks, commodities, bonds, indices, cryptocurrencies and ETFs. So you can trade all of your favorite assets under one trading account, again, helping reduce fees. For forex trading, they offer 47 different currency pairs. For stocks, they offer US, EU and UK shares. For ETFs, they offer US, EU and UK ETFs. For cryptocurrencies, they offer 32 cryptos. For commodities, they offer 26 assets. For bonds, they only offer the Bund and US 10-year. For indices, they offer 19 cash indices and 21 index futures. As you can see above, there is plenty to trade from, offering you a mixture of assets to increase asset exposure and diversify your portfolio. We really like the fact you can also trade ETFs through the platform, as these can offer a cost-effective solution to trading and exposure to harder to invest in assets. Now let's get on to the main benefits for using Admiral Markets broker. Admiral Markets MetaTrader Supreme. One of the key advantages of having an account with Admiral Markets is their targeted services to forex traders, new and experienced. One of these features is an Admiral Markets MetaTrader Supreme package, which is essentially a MetaTrader 4 platform that comes pre-bundled with exceptional tools and indicators. As you can see, these are completely free to both live and demo account holders, which means you can have a risk-free preview of the platform and its tools. What comes bundled with the Supreme Edition? Trading Central and App Technical Analysis. Get automated pattern recognition software within MetaTrader 4. Global Opinion Tool. Personally, you can neglect this tool. Whenever a broker offers these types of tools and trading sentiments, they are usually data captured from the broker themselves, so you basically see the forex broker's client's sentiment. For example, if 80% of the traders in the widget are bullish, it means 80% of the forex broker's customers are bullish. Real-time news. The package comes with the tools to provide real-time news within MetaTrader 4, which is always super useful. Real-time account analysis. You can also get graphical and statistical data of your trading performances, which again is always useful. Volatility Protection Tool. A useful tool to ensure maximum protection on your account and reduces the chance of extreme mistakes from happening. You can read about all of this on their website when you sign up. but the key point we'd like to make from this tool is that it can prevent pending orders from being executed when the market gaps, which can save you from a lot of oh crap moments. Premium Analytics. Another free tool is the Premium Analytics on their website. You can access this via your trading room dashboard. It essentially combines market news, economic data releases, technical insight by Trading Central and a market sentiment indicator. The screenshot below will give you a good idea what to expect behind the scenes of the Premium Admiral Markets MT4 platforms. Admiral Markets do not have their own proprietary trading platform. Instead, they white label one of the world's largest and trusted trading platform, MetaTrader 4, MT4. Admiral Markets MT4 offers everything you come to expect from a trading platform, and much more. Using the Admiral Markets Admiral Markets Live Chat customer service, you can get access to their support team via live chat. This is great during office hours to be able to ask any questions that are not that urgent, but still demand a quicker response than email. However, if it is urgent, always call them. Don't be shy, they are there to help you and resolve any problem as quick. Admiral Markets Demo Account. Admiral Markets Demo Account is free to set up and play around with for as long as you want. It's the perfect, risk-free way to access some of their key benefits mentioned today, so you can be used to their service when you make your account live. Naturally, some of the features are switched off on the demo account, reserved for live account holders only. However, once you get a feel of the platform, their customer service, their benefits, their pricing and their execution, we believe you will be opening a live account with them in no time. Do Admiral Markets offer a bonus? No, not right now, and even if they did, we would recommend you avoid any type of trading bonus. They require a high turnover, frequent trading, to unlock. Your focus should be on growing your account, not unlocking a bonus. In fact, Admiral Markets is actually offering you superior value with its features mentioned in this review. The only bonus we could categorize in this section is that they have their own free analysis for technical and fundamentals articles and trading webinars you can attend. Plus, they have their own free forex trading course, but we also provide that too. Admiral Markets account types. There are 4 account types for you to consider when opening an account with Admiral Markets. These are Admiral Markets MT4 accounts. Admiral Markets. This account is where you only pay a spread and no commission on forex pairs. It offers everything from the forex broker, all assets, platforms and analysis. However, you cannot trade stock and ETF CFDs through this account. Admiral Prime aka Admiral Markets ECN account. This account is where your spreads are as low as 0 pips and you instead pay commission. Admiral Prime is their ECN account, which means the service aims to match your orders with other market participants. So if you want to buy, you would be matched with someone who would want to sell at that price. Admiral Markets MT5 accounts. Admiral MT5. Admiral Markets MT5 account is the same as the MT4 offering, however it offers stock and ETF CFDs on their platform. You still pay a low spread for each trade. Admiral Invest. Admiral Markets Invest is only used for trading cash equities and ETFs. Admiral Market account, from 0.5 pips average pips 0.6, highest seen 0.8 pips, average cost per lot $6. Admiral MT5 account, from 0.5 pips average pips 0.6, highest seen 0.8 pips, average cost per lot $6. Admiral Prime account. Deposits and withdrawals. Depositing with Admiral Markets is a breeze. There are 8 methods of making a deposit to your account, which include bank transfers, debit cards and electronic wallets. With electronic wallets like Skrill and Neteller there is a 0.9% fee, and all other deposit types are free. All deposit types, except bank transfer and So, is Admiral Markets for me? The beauty of Admiral Markets is the fact that they offer a huge range of services for all traders, new or experienced, beginner or professional. With this in mind, they are ideal for traders who want a reliable, trustworthy and transparent with all the right tools and assets needed to conduct your forex trades. Thanks to their low minimum deposits, low spreads, fast executions, I would say that this platform is perfect for beginner traders too. There really are no other standout forex brokers. Which Admiral Markets account is best for me? This all depends on your trading style. Remember, you effectively pay the same price anyway. Ideally, we would recommend an MT4 based account as it is more stable and has a lot of features already available to the platform. More specifically, the Admiral Prime would be a personal preference due to narrower spreads and reduction in commissions after a certain amount of volume has been generated. Conclusion: to wrap up this Admiral Markets review, although not suitable to US citizens, it is apparent that traders from all over the world will be pleased with Admiral Markets' trading resources, pricing structure and transparent trade executions. Admiral Markets has been a big name in the industry since 2001 and continued to provide an outstanding service. So our overall Admiral Markets verdict is giving the forex broker a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. So the main cons of the services are: they do not accept US traders, they charge an inactivity fee if you do not trade if you have not traded within 24 months, they are an MT4 only broker. The main pros of the services are: they were voted best forex platform by ADVF and they offer tight and competitive spreads. They are licensed by 4 regulators worldwide. They are a multi-asset broker. They offer a volatility protection tool plus many other free services. If you would like to open an account with Admiral Markets, please click the link below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more videos coming out soon.